Hi you guys, so today we're making something really fun with an envelope. It is a double pocket. It has this hidden pocket in the side, and then you can just pull this out. Has a little pocket inside of here. It's super fun, super easy, really quick to make. And then in here, there's another pocket right here that you can go ahead and put some ephemera in, like a little tag and then a journaling card. I love how it turned out. It's super cute. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side. I'm using an envelope. I'm just using one of these envelopes, but you can use junk mail envelopes. You can use whatever you have. I'm going to go ahead and take my envelope, and this has like a little sticker on it. I'm going to take the sticker off of it, and then I'm going to glue it shut. Just like that. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just trim. You can do this with a trimmer or your scissors. I'm just going to trim and open it back up again. You can use a letter opener. Just use whatever you have. But I just use the scissors. So I just made a really skinny cut on it. And then I'm going to go ahead and I want to fold it up. And I really just eyeballed it, but you can fold it to wherever you like. So I folded it, let me see, about this high up. Let me go ahead and measure that, just in case anyone has the same exact envelope and they're trying to make it. But you can do whatever you like. It's about 4 inches. And then I went ahead and folded this part over. And then I cut this off. So this is what we're starting out with. And this is fine. We're going to cover this all up. All right. And the next thing I'm going to do is just pick out some paper that I want to cover this with. And I had just this sheet of paper. It's just some lightweight paper. This is from this paper studio. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. I'm going to go ahead and just take this little, it's a magazine that I had that I was going to use for a glue book. I'm going to go ahead and just glue this part right here, just staying above the fold line. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take this and trim this off. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover this portion. I have just some paper. I'm going to go ahead and maybe use this to cover this portion. And then what I want to do is just put glue on this little triangle part. Then I'm just going to lay it down on top of my paper. And I'm going to leave, when I trim this off, I'm going to leave a portion on this side. And it's really just, I'm not sure how much that is, like a 1/2 inch. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut it this way. And so this is what we have so far. I want to go ahead and trim this off because we don't need to cover this whole piece, and maybe I could use this scrap for something else later. I'm going to go ahead and fold this over. And so when I cover this and I glue this down, it will go ahead and make a pocket, and it won't get caught on anything. So let me go ahead and put some glue on this. All right, so we have it looking like this, our little pocket. And then I'm going to fold this over. I want to trim this at an angle right here. I'm going to go ahead and trim this bottom a little bit better too. Then I'm going to fold this over and glue it down. All right. right, so we have our little base already made, and it's already cut open on the side. Let me see if I can just do that, make sure that it doesn't get glued shut. And then we have our pocket here, and then we have our pocket here in the side, our hidden pocket. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and ink this. And I'm just using some walnut stain, Distress Oxide. And of course, this is totally optional. You can use whatever you like, or no ink. Okay, and the next thing that I want to do is I want to make something to go in my pocket. And I'm going to go ahead and get, let's see, I'll get some of this. I'm going to go ahead and get my trimmer out. I'm just going to trim a piece of paper that I can put inside of my pocket. Okay, and then let's go ahead and round the corners on this little piece of paper. All right. Okay, and then I want to go ahead and put a pocket on here. I think I'm going to go ahead and just use some more of this paper that I have. And then I'm going to go ahead and just cut these off. And then fold up the sides. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and put some glue on there. I'm going to go ahead and ink the top of this. I should have done that beforehand, but we can do it right now. And then I'm going to ink the sides. Okay, and then I want to put like a little tab on it, a whale tail tab. I have this little container that I keep all my whale tail tabs in. There's one. There's one, I like that one. I'm just going to go ahead and use my art glitter glue. So then we have this already made. We can put whatever we like inside of the pocket. I'm going to go ahead, I have a little box with some spring digitals in it. Ooh, that's cute. I do like that one. Okay, we'll go ahead and just put something in this pocket and maybe decorate the front a little bit. Let's see what we have. And I have a couple of digitals over here. Look at that bunny. That bunny is really cute. I have this paper right here. We can just make a little tag and put it on it. Okay, that's cute. Let's go ahead and ink around the bunny. And then we'll go ahead and round the corners of this. Cute. Okay, and then we can put this inside of here also. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that little bunny guy. And then we have this little card. Let's see if we want to put something else like right on the front of here. Let's see if we have anything. Let's see, we have a little piece of this paper. I'm thinking we put them on this and then put this on here. That would be really cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Let me ink around this. I love how they turned out. They're super cute, super fun, really quick to make. With an old envelope, you can use junk mail or you can use an envelope that you have in your stash. They're so cute. Hidden pocket with another pocket inside. And then 2 tags, just like this. Or journal cards, whatever you like. I love how they turned out. So fun. All right, you guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.